Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 2026, a smartphone that truly represents the future of flagship technology. Samsung has taken a bold step forward with the Galaxy S25 Ultra by combining premium design with cutting-edge innovation. The phone features a refined titanium body that feels solid, elegant, and incredibly premium in hand. On the front, you get a stunning large dynamic AMOLED display with ultra-smooth refresh rates, making scrolling, gaming, and content consumption feel absolutely effortless. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is Samsung's next-generation processor, built for extreme performance and intelligent efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, editing high-resolution videos, or playing graphics-heavy games, this phone handles everything without breaking a sweat. Samsung's new Galaxy AI plays a major role here, optimizing performance, battery usage, and daily tasks based on your usage patterns. The biggest highlight of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 2026 is its revolutionary camera system. Samsung is expected to introduce a massive 300 megapixels primary sensor, delivering unmatched detail, professional-grade photography, and exceptional low-light performance. From ultra-wide shots to powerful zoom and cinematic video recording, this camera setup is designed for creators who want DSLR-level results from a smartphone. Battery life has also seen a major upgrade, with AI-powered optimization ensuring all-day usage even with heavy tasks. Fast charging and wireless charging make sure you're never stuck waiting. The improved S Pen experience adds even more productivity, making the S25 Ultra perfect for professionals and creative users alike. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 2026 is not just a smartphone, it's a complete powerhouse built for the future. If you want the best of performance, camera technology, and intelligent features, this could be the ultimate Android phone of the year. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro, and stay tuned for more premium tech content coming daily.